Week 7, Lecture 1, XML. Extensible Markup Language, or XML, is a data language that can be used to store data in text format readable by compilers as well as users. It is a fully integrated part of the .NET framework. Visual Studio helps when it comes to the most basic tasks, so often detailed knowledge will not be necessary. In the code you will see book title with the title of the book, closing tag title, author name, closing tag for author, code, the book code, closing tag for code, closing tag for book. Note the opening and closing tags and the enclosing element book. Each of these blocks of code or elements is called a node. JavaScript Object Notation, or JSON, is another data language and is used to transfer data between web services and browsers. Although it is not used as much in .NET as XML, it does have particular advantages we will discuss in the next lecture. Using the same example for XML, JSON would be written as curly bracket book bracket curly bracket title, the title of the book, comma, author of the book, comma, code, the book code, close curly bracket, close bracket. The same information is given, but the format differs. Also take note of the use of braces and brackets. XML schema are used to describe elements and attributes permitted. XML documents are validated using a schema. If using schema repeatedly, copy it to the schema folder in Visual Studio so it will be available without the need to point to it every time. The XML Document Object Model, XML DOM, are classes used to work with XML and found in System XML. Some common classes are XML Node, XML Document, XML Element, XML Attribute, XML Text, XML Comment, and XML Node List. The names are fairly self-explanatory. To create a new instance of the class and load files, using System XML XML document equal new XML document open and close parentheses semicolon, document load open parentheses @ symbol, the path to the file, close parentheses semicolon. Adding XML elements allows access to all information in the document. XML document equal new XML document open close parentheses semicolon, document load open parentheses at the path to the file semicolon, XML element equal document element semicolon. XML properties include first child, returns the first child element after the current one, last child, like first child, but returns last child of the current node, parent node, returns parent of the current node, next sibling, returns the next node with the same parent, and has child nodes, checks if there are child nodes without returning a value. Each pair of tags is an XML document that correlates to a node in the DOM. There are times when it will be necessary to determine the value of the node. As you can see in the table, there are 3 ways commonly used to get the value of the node: enter text, enter XML, and value. Once finished with the nodes, they need to be deleted. The remove all and remove child methods provide the option to remove all child nodes or a particular one.